We've long thought of cats as independent and indifferent to our words, aloof creatures that live alongside us, but rarely seem to care about what we say. But a surprising new study from Japan suggests that our feline companions might be paying more attention than we realize. In a study at Azabu University, scientists tested 31 house cats to see if they could associate human words with images. The experiment involved showing the cats two simple images on a screen, each paired with a made-up word, like kararu or parumo. After a break, the researchers swapped the words with the images and observed how the cats reacted. The results were surprising. When the words no longer matched the images they had seen before, many of the cats stared at the screen longer, some even showing signs of confusion, such as dilated pupils. This behavior suggests the cats had formed a mental link between the word and the image, and the change puzzled them. What's fascinating is that these associations were made without any training or rewards. The cats weren't given treats or prompted in any way. They simply observed and made connections on their own. This discovery hints that cats might be able to understand human speech in a more complex way than previously believed. While it's known that cats can recognize their names and even associate faces with familiar people, this study goes further. It suggests that cats can make connections between arbitrary words and objects, similar to how human infants learn language. This raises new questions. Have cats developed this ability through their long relationship with humans, or does it come from their natural instincts? Either way, it's clear that cats may be paying more attention to our words than we ever imagined.